There are nights that simply deserve to be remembered, not because they are extravagant, but because they are shared with people who make life more meaningful. Magandang gabi mga kaibigan o araw, mga kaulalas ko dyan. Samahan niyo ako sa isang gabi ng elegance, friendship at unforgettable moments hosted by fashion icon and successful businessman Boyet Pardo Jr. sa kanyang beautiful abode sa isang exclusive subdivision. From the moment the guest arrived, you could already feel the warmth in the air. Walang pretensyon, walang kaartihan, puro positive vibes, genuine smiles at masayang kwentuhan. This wasn't just another social gathering. It was a celebration of friendship, a celebration of camaraderie, and a reminder that life is always better when shared with good people. Habang may musikang kinakanta, mas lalong sumisigla ang bawat kwentuhan, ang bawat tawanan ay natural at bawat yakapan ay totoong tunay at ang bawat sandali ay nagiging isang alaalang talagang napakasarap balik-balikan. Of course, no celebration is complete without great food. From delicious dishes to delightful desserts, every bite became another reason to gather around the table, laugh together, and create memories that will last long after the evening ended. At alam nating lahat, hindi lang pagkain ang nagsasama-sama sa mga tao. It's the conversations, the shared stories, the laughter, and the genuine connections that nourish the heart. That is what made this evening truly special. Elegant yet comfortable. Classy yet welcoming, luxurious without being overwhelming. A night where everyone simply enjoyed each other's company. To our gracious host, Boyet Pardo, maraming salamat sa isang gabing puno ng saya, pagmamahalan at pagkakaibigan. Dito lang yan sa Ulala Stats, we believe that the best moments in life are not measured by wealth or status. Ayan nga, di ba kasosyalan ba? Hindi, tunay na pagkakaibigan. They are measured by the people who make us smile, the friends who become family, the music that brings everyone together, the food that creates conversations, and the memories that stay in our hearts forever. Until our next inspiring story, this is Obet Serrano for All Stats, where every story comes from the heart because every life deserves the spotlight. Connect na!
Say ooh, la la, say so. Come on, say ooh, la la, say